The first recommendation that we have for the day is Petronet. So as it's a self-explanatory chart again, almost like 4-5 months of consolidation, it was trading in a declining channel. But finally, we have breached the upper band in the last trading session, and we expect this consolidation to end now, and the stock can gradually inch toward 355 in the near future. So within the mentioned range, the stop loss is mentioned wrong here. I'll just share the exact stop. It's 334 with stop at 334 and target of 355. One can go long in Petronet at current levels.
The next stock for the day is Infosys. So IT as a pack is performing well, and Infi is also trading in line with the trend. Now, as you can see, the stock recently surged vertically post its retestment of the corrective phase. We anticipate this momentum to continue and surpass its record high. Uh, so one can continue to go long in Infi in the given range with a stop loss of 1920 and a target of 2080. The last stock for the day is Dalmia Bharat. So recently, the stock witnessed a sharp recovery from its important demand zone with strong volumes, signaling this increased participation. Now, it has registered a breakout from a downward sloping trend line, along with the formation of a reversal pattern, which suggests a potential shift in trend from down to upward. So, keeping the technical parameters in mind and the positive momentum in the cement space, this supports the positive bias, and one can go long between the 1960 to 1968, keeping a stop loss of 1895 and a target of 2100. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.